Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do boho Faux locks. This style is very cute and easy to manage. Okay, so the first thing you do is braid your entire hair. As you can see, like the braids don't have to be neat. Just make sure that the parts are neat. The next thing you'll need is some like Faux locks hair. The kind I got was loose wave and it's 26 inches. Each lock comes with a pre-installed loop. So basically what you do is you take your crochet needle, you insert it underneath the braid, which is your real hair. You open the end of the hook, you attach the pre-installed loop onto the hook, you close the hook, and then you pull the lock through. After that, what you do, you have to make sure the lock is secure. So you take the end of your lock and you pull it through the pre-installed loop. That way the lock won't come out. In the video, you can see my mouth moving because I was trying to explain how to install the Faux locks while I was trying to do my hair, but that proved to be very difficult. So excuse that. On this part right here, I'm trying to conceal my real hair inside the lock. So I take my crochet needle, I latch my braid onto the end of the hook, and then I pull through down into the lock to conceal my braid within the lock. So this next step is to take your hair. I use Expressions beach curl hair. So I took a piece of that hair, and then I'm basically going to wrap that hair around the Faux locks to create the boho chic look. The kind of look you're going for is like a Zoe Kravitz look. I know she wears her hair like this from time to time. You know, boho locks don't have to be very, neat. posted a picture of the actress Zoe Kravitz because she wears her hair in these locks from time to time. So yes, this is how the boho chic locks turned out. As you can see, they turned out pretty good. I added some rings to make the locks look, you know, prettier, but yeah. And this hairstyle didn't take, you know, too long. Anyway, thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Bye.